you have to remember that before you bring the patient down, you have to check the bed. So, sleeping na tayo. Yan. You have to check the bed for any cords that could struggle, filaments that could choke, toys and pillows that could check. Sa ako yun, di ba yung bata? Okay? What I need to have is a sandbag. Okay. What you have to do is, itong towel na to, lagay mo dun sa gilid. Yung bata, saan siya kakagilid. Then lift the hand up kung saan siya kakagilid. Right eh. Right kayo dahil ng bata. Right ng bata. Left ko, right niya. Kasi magkaharap ka. Okay. Then turn the baby to your right. Hold the shield. Then support the back. Then turn the baby to your right. Then put handa. Dito sa right side na, kahit dito sa lipat, examine yung birth. Assuming the baby has birth, remove the sandals and bring the patient back to a comfortable position. Do not forget to remove the baby. Safety. Then remove the towel. Then what you can do something, kung gagawin natin, hindi pwedeng gawin sa pagising ng bata. Okay? You have to trim the nails when the baby is asleep. Ito, diba? Ayaw siya gupitan ng kuko pag-uwi. So you'd rather trim the nails when the baby is asleep. You trim the nails, fingernails, twice a month. You trim the toenails, once a month. Okay? Twice a month, once a month. Then what you have to do now, remember, when you cut the nails, it has to be horizontal. Do not cut through the edges of this nail. Then, what else would you do? As you go out, lift the shoulder up, lift the baby comfortably, but you have to check the baby from time to time. If it's sleeping and safe, then guidebook, then wash it. You need to take, pag nag-exam kayo, mula sa bed, babalik sa bed. Nakikita kayo ng baby, sa bed ng bata. Ang ending nun, tama sa bed. Hindi ko na yan. Now, here you go. Where pinyo, kasi, tanong ka lang sa amin. We have the living room. Sila doon, ma'am, uulan, umiyak ka.